Henry Hudson dreamed of finding a northern route to Asia, a shortcut through the ice. He discovered the Hudson River, explored Canada, and kept sailing farther north into frozen seas no one had ever mapped. But the ice didn't break. His crew did. Starving, freezing, and furious, they mutinied. Hudson, his teenage son, and 7 loyal sailors were forced into a small boat and set adrift in the icy water. No one ever saw them again. His ship made it home without him. The man who charted the edge of the world vanished beyond it. Some say he froze. Others say he starved. But most believe he died staring into the endless ice, still searching for the passage he never found.